Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin and welcome to part 2 of the Protopie Crash Course. In this video, we'll look at how to test your prototypes on your device. We'll get done with this quickly because as you prototype, it's a good idea to keep checking how it works on your phone so you can design for touch. The source files are available for this video along with the description, and if you want a classroom experience, you should check out designerx.io. So let's get started. So the way to bring your prototypes onto your device is you just have to tap on device and you have a QR code and an IP address. So either on your phone browser you can go enter this IP address, or you can scan this QR code that should get it started. On your device you have to choose which option that you are going to go for. If you tap here, you'll find all the different options. You can type the IP address. I'm going to select scan QR code itself, tap on that, and I can just quickly scan this and the prototype loads immediately. So the prototype looks perfect. It's because the size that I've defined here is 360 x 760, and that's the same size as my device. But even if it is not the same size, it will still look fine, except you will have some bezels around the prototype, which will still make it look good. You can also import the Protopie file using USB. So when you connect your USB, it should automatically load. Yeah, so you just have to tap on this, USB debugging disabled. So on Android, just enable debugging. On iOS, it should be largely similar. Just connect your USB and have Protopie open. It loads quickly. So once the Protopie file is loaded, you can access it directly from here. Just click on play and it opens up. You can save this file by double tap with 2 fingers, and then you can access all the scenes right from here, or you can save it to your device, hit on save, and then you can access the file from the saved folder, which is right over here. So if you were to share your Protopie file to others, what you can do is just upload this file, and then you can just wait for a few seconds. It should give you a link. So this link, you can just copy this link, send it to anybody, and when they open this file, it should automatically open within Protopie. So it's fairly simple. If you open this link in the browser, it will automatically launch the app and open it within the app. In some cases, what may happen is your fonts may not work in your Protopie file. So to fix that, you can go to settings, you can go into font manager and just tap on plus and go to the font folder, and you can select which font folder. All of this is a TTF format, so you can just I'm sure it accepts OTF as well. So just have your font file over here and just install them. Once you just tap on it, it installs automatically, and when you load these prototypes, it automatically loads the fonts accordingly. So though one thing you have to remember is when you send these files to others, they also have to have the fonts installed. If they don't have the fonts installed, it will replace it with a system font, which may change the sizes a little bit. So it's good to have like a testing device where you have all your fonts. In any other case, just make sure if you use a system font for general prototyping, it should look good everywhere. That's it about testing. In the next video, we will dive into how to use Protopie for rapid prototyping, like prototyping tools like InVision or Marvel. So I'll see you in the next video.